Oh my God, we're live. Welcome. You're in the right spot. In this video, it's all about the exterior, okay? We have this old siding, this old aluminum siding. It's actually in pretty decent shape, except for that it's kind of ugly. It's like eroding and stained in some spots. So we need to do a few things here. Number one, we need to pressure wash this house. Number two, we need to scrape all the paint off of like all the wood, you know, that's going on. Soffits, rafters, rafter tails. Number three, there are at least one rafter tail that is damaged and needs to be repaired. So that's going to be a Bondo job. That's going to be a patch and repair procedure, if not replacement entirely. We'll see. What am I at? Anyways, whatever. After scraping paint, we need to recaulk the windows, recaulk the doors, the shed. I never caulked the shed. Once all that is said and done, we're going to be painting this house. Okay, power washing's done. Now what I've got to do is start scraping paint, and here's what I'm looking at. I'm on the back porch. Pretty much everywhere there is wood. There is paint that is chipping off. It's gonna be good. Light sconce needs to go there. Gonna paint first though. Probably should peel that tape off. That's been there to help it glue for probably 4 months now. So I think it's dry by now, don't you? All right, so. Going on here. Not having fun. Every time I scrape it, it goes right in my face. I think I've scraped it all. Got it for the most part. This was the worst one at the very end. On to the next. Not really prepared to deal with this. Maybe I should just cut it out, honestly, and replace it. Might be my best bet. Last one in the line. See, this one's not looking too good up here. That one. And then this one is bad. We'll have to come back to those to patch them later. So basically finished side number two. Side number two, I could definitely tell some of the rafter tails were already replaced. It's a busy road. Yeah, and you could tell that the ones that were not replaced had some definite termite damage. So there's going to be a good amount of Bondo work that needs to happen, I think, tomorrow and the following days. And right now I'm just debating whether or not I should do the front of the house as well. Not sure if it needs to be scraped or not. So was trying to avoid this. Couldn't avoid it. Check this out though. I think he's like itching his back or something. So anyways, I've been up here for like half an hour and I've gotten this. And I gotta go all the way over there. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh. Not a very strong start. This side definitely got beat up from the sun exposure. Definitely in the worst shape out of any paint job on this house. Guess I'll just do you a favor and show you when it's done. This view right here. Scraped. Let's get to patch and repair. I'm gonna start with the hard part first, replacing these guys. So what I wanna do is cut it. And that's how it's done. Okay, this is the next one. Good news is, because it's eaten, it'll be easy to cut. Oh, yeah. Take that. Cool, there we go. Yeah. Solid. Sweet. First time for everything, and that was my first time repairing rafters like that. I think it went pretty well. So yeah, now let's fill some gaps in Bondo. This hole is so freaking big. I think I'm gonna deploy the tape method. I think that's good. Bondo's got me feeling crazy. I had to put on a mask. I should have gloves on. Got our paint supplies. Show you what we did here. Just scraped this, power washed this, power washed this. Now we match the neighbor. Scraped and washed that side. Put some brackets on. Caulked all the windows. Sealed the shed. I call it a shed, but really it's just storage around this pipe. Around the windows on this side, at the soffit on the entire side. It's a good day. It's painting day. First things first, I need to tape all the windows off. That's the only thing prep-wise I haven't done yet. All the windows and everything else that I don't want to get paint on. Like the AC unit, I guess. It's a little windy and I'm by myself, so I think this is gonna suck. Luckily, I've done this task before with no wind. So, just increasing the difficulty level here, no big deal. Looks legit, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I want to go for the bottom now. Here we go. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Come back. Uh-oh, shit. I don't really know what I'm doing here. I think this is not wide enough, actually. This is gonna be so easy. That'll do it. Nice. There's a lot of windows on this house. Okay, well, we got one side done. That was a lot of work. Next up, gotta figure out what to do with this door. Well, didn't get the door figured out, but I got the whole rest of the house. The entire porch. All the columns. And I got this side too. So now, I'm just gonna hope that it stays up till tomorrow, because it's probably like 6 o'clock or so right now. Full day taping, tomorrow's painting. Let's get it. Oh boy. Basically, today's paint day, and I'm pretty nervous. I'm gonna start here with the primer, and I'm just gonna prime these railings, and like I'm pretty nervous. This is a big day. We're ready, man. Oh my God. It's happening. Oh my God. Okay, you've done this before. You know what you're doing. I can do this. Oh my God, here we go. Ready? Yeah, that's crazy. I'm gonna put this little bad boy back here. It's my microwave box. I'm gonna use it so that my paint doesn't go all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there goes that. So next we have the back deck. Okay, next up we got our siding paint. It's green, and we're gonna start with the back. In case I mess it up, then it's at least it's just the back. Okay, I think we're ready. Wish me luck. Well, that'll need a little touch up. How's that look? God dang, that looks good. Oh, buddy, I think I'm done. Wow.
Look at this house.
This paint job looks really good.
So good.
I was literally like at the very bottom of the bucket too for the paint. 5 gallons of paint. It was like the perfect amount. Check it out.
You're not even ready. You think you're ready. You're not ready.
You ready?
You're just not ready.
It's not even a grand reveal because it's not done yet. We're getting excited, but the trim still needs to be painted. But here's what it looks like right now. What?
Do you even recognize her?
Are you kidding me?
Let me.
So I need to do the white still.
You can see all of the stuff that Lemmy's kicking up under there right now. Is he rolling?
Excuse me, Lemmy.
Lemmy.
Excuse me, sir. I've been trying to reach you about your extended car warranty.
He's gonna kick dirt at you.
Can you stop? Okay, anyways. The color from the siding to the door I think is really nice.
Just really pops.
I found it was particularly tricky to paint this peak here. And I was worried it was gonna be blotchy, but I think it's pretty dry now and it doesn't look very blotchy. Also, I thought the rendering of it looked pretty dang close to the picture. I mean, look at these side by side.
Bing.
They look the same. Thank you for the sound effect.
Yeah, that's the sound effect you can use.
So yeah, that's today's progress, and tomorrow I'll be painting white on the trim and things.
And up there. Bing. I think I ate too many chips. Oh, I got bit by something again. Oh. Oh, no, but what are you doing all the way over there? You should be slapping the bugs on my legs.
Oh.
There wasn't one there.
You guys one right there.
Stop. You're gonna push me off the ladder. It's getting everywhere.
Definitely getting that
It's
too.
getting everywhere. It's also gonna get on the car.
So to be honest, this is not working very well at all. It's getting a lot of overspray, so I think we're gonna need to kind of touch up some spots, but we're already committed, so I just need to finish this now. How's the experience with that paint shield going so far?
All I have to say is I'm going to need you to roll back to the footage where I said I think that we should tape off this whole thing because it's going to get overspray on the green. I think you should tape it.
I'm not taping it. Touché.
Are we done yet? Thank you. I really needed that, Lemmy. Hot. 110 degrees, 150% humidity. All sweat. No beers.
See you tomorrow. Because this didn't work out as nicely as we thought it would, I'm gonna have to tape off the house again. I should start from the other side. I can't right now. Well, that was really painful, but it's done, so that's good. And yeah, now it's time for the easy part. Let's paint. I don't know who picked the day to do this, but you're fired. The plastic just started peeling off because the wind got too much while we were painting. Luckily, we're almost done. Here you go, Maddie.
Yeah. Just a little bit of paint on my hands. No big deal. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I earned this.
Last thing to tape up here. This is it. Wind's picking up a little bit, but should be able to spray. The last spray job on this house, right here. Let's get it. So the last thing that needs to be painted on this house is the front porch and back deck. And in order for me to do that, I need to power wash it. So let's get to it. This color is called Whiskey Barrel Brown. This porch material is an uncapped composite deck. And so with the capped, like the newer composite decking, you cannot paint it. But this, because it's uncapped, it's an older composite, you can paint it. And I want this front porch to match the back deck. So I'm just choosing to paint it all. It's gonna be beautiful, guys. Can't wait to see it when it's done. Front porch is done. Time to do the back deck. Pretty tired doing this. I think I was at it for 4 hours doing 2 coats on the front porch and then cutting in everywhere as well. Back deck is smaller, so hopefully it goes a little bit faster. Ooh, it's hot back here. Rich. Well, anyways, we'll fast forward a bit and show you what it looks like. Just finished it up. Check it out. Wow. She's complete. Whew, it's kind of crazy just having finished the very last thing for this project. I've been working on this project for 8 months now, and it has been difficult to say the least. So it's very rewarding to see it look this nice and to come together, and I'm just thrilled with it. Okay, so there we go, another video down. That's gonna be it for the painting video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.